Alright everybody, how y'all doing and welcome back to my channel. Y'all see it. Entertainment rig, time for its cleaning. Yeah, she is very dirty on the inside. You know, I don't know what to say. All that dust trapped inside, these fans just suck in everything and just everything just starts sticking to the part. So what I'm going to be doing here is doing the cleaning. Giving my baby a nice good refresh look, cleaned out. Y'all see the grill. The grill is very dirty here. Inside is dirty. I can see my fans on the inside nice and dirty. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little peek. That's one reason why I love these smoke tint glass, so you ain't gotta see on the inside of them. But at nighttime, yeah. When I pick my when I go ahead and look at the dirt on the glass, y'all can see it. It looks nasty. When I go ahead on and turn on everything, watching TV and everything in 1080p, I'm all good. Yeah, look at it. All the dust there, all the dust on the fans. Yeah. ZALMAN got a little dust around it. Yeah, she's simple. She's on the Intel Q9550 socket LGA 775. So she's good to go. Now it's time to clean her up. So enough talking, let's do this. everybody, how y'all doing? She's done. She's stripped down. Now what I'm going to be doing is wiping everything off. You know, I'm just going to go ahead and do that quick and fast because my grandson's wanting his lunch right now. So I'm going to take a break and I'm going to go ahead and fix his lunch. But right now she's stripped down. I'm just going to give her a quick wipe down. She's not that really dusty on the inside, so thank God for that. But what I might do is I might be adding my 3 Bulls case fans just to keep some of that dust from trapping inside. She does a good job in keeping the dust from getting on the inside, so I'm pretty amazed of that. But when you see it looking like this here, y'all see it. Y'all see how nasty that looks. Yeah, it's time to go ahead and clean it. My filters, my magnetic filters are dirty, my front grill is dirty. All that needs to be a nice good quick brush clean down right quick. And when I'm done doing all that, I will be go ahead on and doing part 2 is reassembling her back together, and I'll be watching me some Yellowstone later. Alright, let's do this. Alright everybody, it's that time now. It's time for the rebuild, time to put it back together. The cleaning was easy, it was smooth. You know, it had a little dust here and there with my powerful dust ball I picked up from Amazon. It did the trick very good, very powerful. But the thing is, you can't run them no more than 15 minutes. So even though I was done with it within less than 15 minutes, I was done with like blowing all the dust and everything off the grips and nets and fan covers and everything. I was done about like 5 minutes. But after I did that, I still know she had some dust caked up onto her, so I wiped that down, gave her a nice good clean wipe down, and she's ready to be rebuilt. So, you know, enough of me talking, enough of me rambling, let's do this. Alright everybody, she is done. It didn't take that long. She looks so nice, she's looking clean. Everything is put back together, well assembled. Now as y'all know, y'all probably say, oh, you didn't do the cable management. You know, there you go, you see it. Just like I said, cable management is always done off the camera. So, I can just go ahead and get the cables routed back the right way, like I always do. And that's it. I'm gonna close this out on a good note. If y'all need y'all system clean, please hit me up with my email address. I'm on the East Coast in Miami, Florida. If you need your system clean, just send me an email. I'll do a local pickup, or I'll do everything right there on site of your place. And that's it. She's done. Cable management. And on to watching me some Yellowstone tonight. Alright, thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.